most valuable tool. He uses it to move heavy freight trains and fast passenger trains. In reality, this locomotive is a powerful steam engine mounted on wheels. A cross-section model of a steam locomotive shows us the firebox, the boiler, the largest part of the locomotive, and the many fire tubes passing through the boiler, the throttle valve, the smoke box, the smoke stack, the steam chest, and the cylinder. Hot gases and smoke from the firebox pass through the fire tube, heating the water in the boiler, through the smoke box, and out the smoke stack. As the water is heated by the hot fire tubes, it expands, changing into steam. The steam collects in the top of the boiler and in the steam dome. The sliding round valve in the steam chest controls the flow of steam through the ports or openings connecting the steam chest with the cylinder. Steam and oil-burning locomotives fill their fuel tanks from oil penstocks beside the track. The fuel oil is stored in large underground tanks. It is forced into the penstock by air pressure. Some large locomotive tenders hold more than 6